Communications remained largely cut off, and that's meant a sleepless night for Tongans in New Zealand, desperate for news of loved ones. Many have turned to prayer at a time when there's no information. Here's Kim Baker-Wilson.
In a time of crisis, a coming together, but with prayer is pain, and fear it could turn to grief.
But on my tears for them, I love my sister. We love them. But only thing we do, prayer every time.
Nobody knows if loved ones are okay. There's been no word, no messages, no anything.
Heartbreaking. Our heart was aching and torn apart.
COVID means many can't gather, so there are prayers at this radio station as well.
Sunday for us, it's a sad day for all Tongans.
A lifeline for listeners who haven't slept, listening and phoning for comfort and companionship.
Full of tears, a lot of love, and remembering back.
Really sad. It's really sad to not know if they're okay.
It's all anyone wants to know. Melinaite was watching live what was supposed to be a joyful family reunion. Then the live stream cut out. She hasn't been able to find them since.
I think I really do think they're okay, and they will be okay.
The electricity is off, no connection at all. So it's a big worry.
Worries that aren't easing.
Save our people, save our island. This is the first time and I cry every time.
It's become clear why it's so hard to make contact.
The main undersea communications cable has been impacted, likely due to the loss of power, and that is why communications have been limited. Telecommunication authorities are working urgently to restore communication.
Until then, faith.
God is above all, everything, so we give it back to Him to guide and lead Tonga during this time.
At a time when Tonga needs it. Kim Baker-Wilson, OneNews.